Guys, welcome back to another video. And today, because my buddy is sleeping. And I have this new camera that can read people's minds while they're sleeping. So let's take a look at what this guy's dreaming about. Here we go.
If he sneezes, the world will end.
Whoa! Dude, I didn't see the dream, but I think it was pretty crazy. I guess you guys will have to tell me what it was in the comment section below.
You cannot sing ever! Drink your beer! You cannot! No! It had to be done.